Hello everyone, my dear students. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Conceptual Knowledge, and I Shabbar Kazmi again in front of you with a new topic of discussion. And actually this is not a new topic, we can say, we are going to solve the problems based on the uh, topic, that is the areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the problems of exercise 9.3. So I'm going to start with the problem 1. So let us start our discussion. Okay, so I'm going to discuss it means I'm going to start with the question number 1 only. So let us focus on question number 1. Okay, so let us read out the question number 1. The question number 1 says that of exercise 9.3. So let me read the question first. In figure 9.3, E is any point on median AD of a triangle ABC. Okay, show that area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle ACE. Okay, now I'm going to show you the picture which is given over here in figure 9.3. It is asking us. So this is the picture, and in this picture this is the point E on the median AD, and the question is asking from us. Okay, so we can easily observe this figure, and we can easily prove that required result which the question is asking from us, that is area of triangle ABE. We need to show that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ACE. This is the thing which we need to do, and the given thing is that a triangle ABC and in which AD is the median. Okay, so obviously we know one theorem, that median divides, or we can say that this is a result you can use to prove this question, that the median divides the triangle into two small triangles of equal areas. Okay, so first let us draw the picture of this triangle. And in geometry the most important part is drawing the diagram. Okay, so we always need to draw the diagram. That is the most important part. I hope so that all of you will understand this. So this is the median. Let us take this point as the median of this triangle, and let us join these two also. So it is mismatched, no issues, we can just take this point also as a median. So since we are drawing a rough picture, so it can happen, no issues. So ABC, and this is D. Okay, now the question is saying that there anywhere, okay, it's not like that it is a midpoint, it's not like that. So anywhere take a point E. Okay, and now the question is saying that join it. So I'm joining it. Okay, and then join this with this. Yeah, okay, now our figure is complete, and we need to show that the required result. Now I'm starting the solving the questions. Okay, just to save some of the time, I had already written the given part and to proof part. So what we had written in given, a triangle ABC in which AD is the median and E is any point on median. Okay, now what to prove? We need to prove that area of triangle ABE equals to area of triangle ACE. Okay, now let's start our proof. Okay, so I had written two statements. Let me discuss that with you people first, and then we'll move on further. So in triangle ABC, if you see the figure, in triangle ABC, okay, see here ABC, AD is the median, then obviously it divides the triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas, that is area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ACD. Okay, and I had written the reason also over here, since median divides the triangles into two triangles of equal areas. That's it. Similarly, we can write over here in triangle BEC, AD is the median, Therefore area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle CED. And for the region, since the region is same, so we can write it like this. Okay, now let's move on. So we are used, that means stated two statements from the, okay, now this let me just clarify you more about the second statement in triangle BEC. Okay, I thought that I had moved very fastly, so it might be possible that it is not clear. So BEC, in triangle BEC, if you see BEC, then you can see easily that in triangle BEC, ED is the median, obviously, since D is the midpoint, and if we are joining the midpoint with the line from the opposite vertex, then that line is going to be the line segment is going to be the median. So obviously in triangle BEC, ED is the median, so definitely it will divide the triangle BEC into two triangles of equal areas. So that only we had used, and we had written area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle CED. I hope so that all of you must understood this thing. Okay, now let us move on. Okay, see here. So from equation 1, as I had written over there, equation 1, we had area of triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACD. Now if you see the figure, then what you are going to get? You are going to see that ABD can be written as area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BED. Similarly, ACD can be written as area of triangle ACE plus area of triangle CED. I hope so that this is very easy thing. You people must understand this. Okay, so let us move on with this concept to further one more step ahead towards our result. Okay, so let us do that. Okay, now see here everyone, that I had written it, area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ACD, and in place of these two triangles I had just replaced it in the form of the sum of the two triangles, these two. Okay, so that is area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BED. In place of area of triangle ABD I had written this, and on the RHS, that is area of triangle ACD, I had written area of triangle ACE plus area of triangle CED. Now continuing with this equation over here, all of you please see this. So we can write in place of we are continuing with this equation, so we can write in place of this area of triangle BED. See, BED and CED are already equal, so in place of, either you want to replace BED with CED, so you can do that, or if you want to replace CED with BED, so that also you can do it. So it depends upon us, whatever we want we can do. Okay, so I'm leaving this BED and replacing this CED. So let us write it, area of triangle ABE. We are not going to do any changes in triangle ABE plus, not even in area of triangle BED we are going to do any changes, just leave it as it is. And in after that, in RHS equals to area of triangle, just leave this ACE also as it is, and then plus. Okay, now in place of area of triangle CED, just write it as area of triangle BED. Why we can write it like this? Because from equation we are knowing that area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle CED. So for this step we can show here from equation second. That's it. So the reason also we had written. Now let us proceed. I think this should be a bit magnified so that all of you can easily understand this and see this. So I hope so that this must be clear to everyone. Yeah, so area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle ACE plus area of triangle BED. So I had replaced the area of triangle, see here, CED with BED. Now we can easily see that both the sides we are having the same thing in plus, so we can easily cut these two. Okay, a slight cut I had shown, and now we can get easily our result. So therefore what we need, we had got it, area of triangle ABE is equals to, only these two things will be left, and in between there is a sign of equal to, So we'll leave it as it is, area of triangle ACE. So I think this is our required results, and we had easily proved it also. So we have done our proof. Yeah, so let us move on for the discussion of the next question now. Okay, and I just like to discuss these questions, the next questions, verbally with you people by drawing the figure, so that you people can do it by yourself. If I'll find any complicated one, then I'll try to solve it in front of you. Okay, so let us move on. Okay, so before writing anything, let me first of all make you people understand about the question number 2, that what the question number 2 is saying. So the question number 2 is saying that in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. Now, in the initial question, what it is saying that E is any point, it is not a specific, but here it is specifying it that E is the midpoint of the median AD. The figure will be same, only the difference will be there, that we will treat this time this point E as the midpoint. Okay, so now if this E is also going to be the midpoint, then we can easily see that triangle ACD, in that C is the median, obviously it is going to be divided into two triangles of equal areas, that is area of triangle ACE is going to be equal to area of triangle CED. So these two triangles are equal in area. Similarly, these two triangles will also be equal in area. Okay, now another way, so these two triangles are also going to be in equal in areas, and right now we had proved that these two triangles are also equal in areas. So obviously this triangle is going to be divided into four sub triangles, and we had seen right now that the area of all the triangles are equal to each other. Now we can easily show that area of triangle BED, that is only we have to show, I think, yeah, area of triangle BED is equals to 1/4 of this whole area of triangle ABC. So I hope so that verbally I had made some sense to make it clear to you people. Now just I think that I need to solve it for you people, so that you can understand the things very easily. No, so now I'm going to solve this question also for you people, and then rest of the questions we can do the verbal discussions, because this type of questions I will solve, then you people will understand the things. Okay, so let me solve this. Okay, I'm going to start solving solution. Okay, let us move on now. Again, to save some time, I had already drawn the picture for you people and written the given and to prove part. Okay, so already discussed these things with you people, so I'm just starting the proof section now. Okay, so some spaces here. First of all, let us use this space, and then we'll move on in the next page. Okay, so this time we are going to write the result of what we are going to use in this question initially, and then we can easily use it. Okay, so I'm going to write it as we know that median divides the triangle into two triangles of equal areas. Therefore, we can simply write here, therefore area of triangle ABD, okay, is equals to area of triangle okay, ABD we had written, so let us write it like this, ACD. Okay, and the reason, since AD is it depends upon your own style of writing. Okay, initially in the first question I had written it in some another way, now I'm writing it in some another way, so both are correct, no issues. So AD is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, yeah, okay, now let us continue with this equation in the next page. Okay, so now we are in next sheet, and initially we had written that area of see from here, area of triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACD. Okay, now it implies that area of triangle ABD is equals to half of area of triangle ABC. Can we use it or not? Yes, definitely we can use it. So that only I'm going to write now. Area of triangle ABD is equals to half area of triangle, the whole triangle, that is ABC. Okay, now stop it over here. Okay, now area of triangle ABD, we know that area of triangle ABD is equals to half area of triangle ABC. If you want, you can write it as equation 1. Now let us move on. Okay, now if we observe the figure, that this figure, so in this figure we know that E is the midpoint, it is given in the question, so we can just use that B is the median of triangle ABD. So if B is the median of triangle ABD, then we can easily write that area of triangle BED or BDE, whatever you want, you can write, is equals to half area of triangle ABD. Yes, we can use it. So let us write it now. Now in triangle ABD, we can write it like this. BE is the median. Yes, median. BE is the median. That's it. So if B is the median, so therefore we can write, and now no need to write that median divides, because already we had written that statement. So in triangle B is the median, so therefore we can write first area of triangle BED. In the question it is also given BED, yeah, is equals to area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle ABE. Yeah, okay. Now area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle AB. So it implies that, it means if the whole triangle is being divided into two equal parts, then obviously the one part is going to be the half of the whole. So therefore we can write area of triangle BED is equals to 1 by 2 half area of triangle ABD. Yes, 100% right. So now we will continue with this equation only, and we can write it like this. Implies that area of triangle BED, see here, is equals to, okay, now leave this half as it is and focus on this area of triangle ABD. Okay, see here, area of triangle ABD is equals to half area of triangle ABC. Already we had shown it. So in place of area of triangle ABD, we can just replace it like this. So we are going to write it half into half area of triangle ABC, and the reason for this, we can write it from equation 1. Okay, chalo, let's move on now. So now we had got our result, so therefore we can write it area of triangle BED is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Okay, now area of triangle ABC, and this is the only result which we need to prove, and we have proved it, so we can write it over here, and we can easily move on to another problem. Now the another problems I'm going to discuss, but I'm not going to write the solution, just I will try to discuss the things verbally. And one question is the toughest one, so that I will discuss later on, that is question number 6. This is a bit tougher question, but other than this, the remaining questions like question number 3, 4 and 5 are very easy questions. So I'm just reading the question number 3. Show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. Diagonals of a parallelogram divided into 4 triangles of equal area This is one of the very easy thing which you people can easily do it. If you draw a parallelogram, okay, let me draw a parallelogram for you people. So now we are going to do that is it means that is we are going to do a rough discussion. Okay, so here is our rough sheet. Now the question is saying that the diagonals of a parallelogram divided into four triangles of equal area. So let us first of all draw our parallelogram. So this is our parallelogram, and now just join their diagonals. Okay, if we join their diagonals, what we are going to see, that we are going to get four triangles, obviously A, B, C, D, and this is the point. So AOB, BOC, and COD and DOC are the four triangles. Now what we need to do, we simply show that in triangle ABC, okay, AO equals to OC, so therefore O is the midpoint of AC, and we can easily write that BO is the median of this triangle ABC. So once we had shown that BO is the median of this triangle ABC, then we can write that area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle BOC. Now once we had shown that these two areas are equal, so we need to write only similarly, similarly area of triangle BOC is equals to area of triangle COD, and then area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle DOA, and then area of triangle DOA is equals to area of triangle AOB. So now you had shown that all four triangles are equal in area, so our question is solved. Now let us move on for another problem and try to discuss it. So what the question is saying, in figure 9.24, okay, the figure is given here. The question is saying ABC, okay, ABC and ABD are two triangles on the same base AB. So ABC, all of you can see, yeah, you can see ABC and ABD are two triangles on same base AB. Okay, so this much we had understood. Let us move on now. Now the question is saying, okay, on the same, if the line segment CD, so this is the line segment CD, it is going to be bisected, yeah, by AB at O, okay, by AB at O. Now we need to show that area of triangle ABC, sorry, so why it is becoming blur, yeah, sorry, yeah, okay, so show that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ABD. So how we can show that area of triangle ABC? Let us see that in figure first. Area of triangle ABC, where is ABC? ABC is equals to area of triangle ABD. Okay, so now area of triangle ABD. Okay, so let us try to understand it from the figure and the phone only. So these two triangles are equal in area. We need to show this. So it is also very easy for us to show that. How? See. So we can easily show that since O is the midpoint of CD, so obviously in triangle BCD, okay, if we see the triangle BCD, sorry, if we see the triangle BCD, so BCD, BO is the median. So if BO is the median, then obviously area of triangle COB is equals to area of triangle BOD. These two triangles are going to be equal in area. Okay, next. Now area of triangle ACO, yeah, AOC is equals to area of triangle AOD. Again, we will do the same thing because in triangles ACD, AO is equal to, sorry, AO is the median of this triangle. So we had got two equations, that area of triangle COB is equals to area of triangle DOB, and area of triangle COA is equals to area of triangle DOA. Now add both these equations. So LHS is going to be added to LHS and RHS is going to be added to RHS, and we can easily get this to that this once we add, so we'll get this triangle ABC area, and then we'll get this triangle ADB area. So after just adding the two equations, we will get our results. So this much easy is this question. I hope so that all of you have understood. So all these four questions right now which we had discussed is based on the property of okay, so we had seen right now that all these questions are based on the topic, that is, or we can say that a result that the median divides the triangles into two triangles of equal areas. Okay, so that's it for it means this video, and we should stop discussing the questions now over here only, and in the next video I'm just try to discuss the more problems of this exercise only. So thank you everyone for being here and watching my videos, and please give the feedback in the comment box. Thank you all.